Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my AI Content Sniper review. Right, so I've got the product right here. I've checked it all inside out. Okay, I'll give you a walkthrough the members area, guys. And here I have my written review. You will find the link to it to check out all of the details, the funnel information, my bonuses and all of that, you know the drill, right below in the description box, so check it out. This is the newest launch by these two gentlemen, Anthony Rousek and Mark Wightley, I believe. Yes, Mark Wightley, the top affiliate of MAP. Do you know this high-ticket training course, MAP? I mean, Mark is crazy successful. Anthony Rousek has also been there, done it, and got many t-shirts. He's very experienced. Lovely product. And again, I'll give you a walkthrough right now, actually. So in essence, guys, this is your WordPress plugin. It's a plugin, but it comes with much more. It comes with the whole training. It's very newbie friendly. It comes with how to really set it all up the right way with Google Console and how to get it, you know, how to get your website indexed and all of that matters for you to start generating organic traffic and fast, okay? As long as you keep putting out the good quality content, and it will be original. Well, it will be generated by AI because this plugin is connected to AI, to ChatGPT. All you need to do, you need to connect your OpenAI API key in order to generate the content. And as we know, it is very affordable this way. So you don't even need a paid version of ChatGPT, anything like that. No, you just connect your OpenAI API key. But anyhow, Anthony walks you through the whole process from A to Z. It's a very thorough training to do with what offers also to pick, and he would give you examples from ClickBank. And again, that is super newbie friendly because say you're a newbie, right? And you don't have a history of sales to prove to vendors from say Warrior Plus or JVZoo that you can generate sales. And it could be a struggle to get approved, you know, let's just face it. However, with ClickBank, it's not an issue because you just go there, pick the offer, and also Anthony really advises you spot on what offers to choose. He's going through the search volume, he's going to what sells, the commission you would be getting, and all of the factors that you need to take into consideration before you decide, okay, this is the product I am promoting, okay? So all that is covered in the training. Right, so again, go check out my written review for all of the information. And here we've got the funnel details. So the front end is $17.97 during the launch. It has just launched. It has gone live today on the 21st of July, 9 a.m. New York time. So check out the upsells. There are only a few really nice upsells. This case study is amazing, in which Mark Wightley actually shows you how he has become the #1 MAP, so the high ticket training course seller affiliate. Okay, very good case study. And then OTO #1 is an AI accelerator plugin for $37. Then we have SEO profit engine. This is a monthly. And then we have OTO #3, which is a link domination mastery about backlinks and all of that. This one is super good. Super cool Sniper School Masterclass for $97. And last but not least, the bundle deal. So guys, if you want them all of the upsells at a discounted price, you can apply the coupon. So after you've applied the coupon, you will find information about the coupon. If you were to go for the bundle deal on the sales page, then you will pay $297. So check it all out. Check out my bonuses as well and all of that. Now let me show you around the members area. So here we are. So here we have home, AI Content Sniper, case study. I'll actually show you the case study. It's quite impressive. And here we have the upsells, so you can navigate from right here. Here is the plugin members area. So this is where you get the plugin from, okay? And don't worry if you're a newbie. you will be shown step by step from even getting the hosting, because of course you would need to get hosting for your website, then install WordPress if you don't have it yet, and get the plugin going. But Anthony shows you step by step in a very beginner friendly way how to do the installation and how to set everything up the right way. Right, so first we have an overview, and here is the step number 1. You join the Facebook group, then you register for exclusive training. And here, step 3 is where you start your core training, okay? And here is the plugin. So before I show you the whole shebang, the whole training, it's like so good, so detailed, so comprehensive. Let me show you where you get the plugin from. So that's from step 4. Okay, so there you go. Okay, and Anthony actually walks you in the training videos on how to get the plugins downloaded and then uploaded and all of that. So that's where you get the plugins from. So that was your plugins, and then let's go to step 3. This is the juicy part of this training, and look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus some exclusive bonuses, action taker exclusive bonuses, but you have 5 modules. Each module has sub-modules. So I'll open them up and I'll show you, so you know exactly what you're getting from this training, from this product, okay? So module 1, welcome and getting started. Module 2, system setup and configuration. Module 3, creating AI content that ranks. Again, this plugin will be connected with AI. So AI will be generating the content for you. Module 4, unless you want to do it yourself. Module 4, scaling with automation. Module 5, traffic, sales, and results. Okay, so don't worry, Anthony is not leaving you high and dry with your newly set up WordPress website. He's also showing you how to connect it with Google Console, with even with Bing and beyond that, okay? To start pulling organic traffic as soon as possible. And he gives excellent advice on what products to promote from ClickBank. Okay, which is cool, very newbie friendly. Right, let's open up module 1. Let me show you what you have. So there you go. So you've got the welcome video, your offer vault and tools installing the plugin, and about the API integration. Okay, and so you will have for each one, you will have a video like that. There you go. He's even showing you and advising you what domain to choose, and below you will have a lot of resources and helpful links. You see, you can download it as audio. You can download the PDF of this lesson, download even the video if you need it to for some reason. All sorts of helpful resources below the video, and each one is like that. Okay, and from there we go on to the next module, and these are the sub-modules of the next lesson. So this was the next lesson. So let's actually go back to home, and let me show you the next module. So system setup and configuration. So there you go. So basic WordPress setup and plugins, again, very newbie friendly. Installing legal pages plugin, WordPress theme setup, sales notification plugin setup. Okay, so that's that. Then module 3 would be this one, creating AI content that ranks. Again, so right inside from the back end of your WordPress website, Anthony would show you where to go, how to in order to connect everything properly with AI and all of that. So he will show you here how to choose a product that's going to actually sell well for you. So what to promote, how to build affiliate pages with AI content, Sniper plugin, how to build review pages, how to monetize with affiliate links. And this plugin actually comes with another one that sort of like Pretty Links that we have in WordPress, but Anthony has his own custom sort of plugin for cloaking your affiliate links, okay, which is good, which is always a good idea. And then how to build important pages for your website and the menu creation and all of that. And here actually he gives you some suggestions on what high-ticket training courses to promote. This one, OLSP, it's a well-known one as well. a bestseller. Map, of course, Master Affiliate Profits is the one that's been rocking for quite some time. The Breakout University, another well-selling and well-converting one as well. Okay, let me show you module 4, which is scaling with automation. Okay, so first you need to create your homepage, menus and all of that. Again, you led through the process step by step in a newbie-friendly way. Then how to create consistent content and generating content ideas, setting up publishing schedule, automate content with bulk posting. And here actually there's module 4. Okay, he walks you through how to do it. But in order to access that, this automation and all of that, this is actually part of accelerator method. Okay, part of the upsell. So it's nice that he shows you what you can do, and he already gives you the training on the OTO number 1. But in order to get it set up and all of that, well, you need to get the plugin, right? So you need to purchase the OTO number 1 in order to activate all of that, the automation, the publishing schedule and stuff like that. Right, and module number 5 would be the last one, traffic, sales, and results. And this is an excellent one, okay, because it is like top-notch, professional information how to really get it all done the right way. So setting up Google Search Console, setting up Bing Webmaster Tools, setting up Google Analytics, and how to measure your results. Okay, that's fantastic. Let me also show you the bonus section of this product, the Action Taker exclusive bonuses. So these are all of the bonuses you're getting, guys. Bulk post creation plugin and video training, very good. Step-by-step PDF checklist, AI Content Sniper SEO plugin, Content Helper plugin, good. Loads of plugins, sales notification plugin too. Alright then, so yeah, to sum up, amazing WordPress plugin to create reviews, blogs, all powered with AI. You just need to connect your OpenAI API key to it. A lot of training on how to set it all up from the start, from scratch. Okay, so if you're not quite familiar with how WordPress works, you're well covered here. So you're in good hands, and Anthony Rousek is clearly very experienced, and yeah, I've watched the videos. He clearly knows what he is talking about. Right, guys, so that was my AI Content Sniper review. If that's for you, pick it up. The link to my written review is below in the description box. Check out all of the details. If you click through Get the Best Price, you will be taken, or by now, to the sales page that looks like this. Okay, and it says no time, no ideas, no traffic, no stress. Our AI plugin creates SEO blogs in minutes that rank and earn. Okay, so again, for now, the front end during the launch is $17.97, so click here to get started, to be taken to the checkout, and the sales page is very clear and actually very transparent. They tell you what you're getting, okay? Very good. Alright guys, love you and leave you. That was my, again, AI Content Sniper review. If that's for you, pick it up and take massive action.